Good morning or good day. It's Thursday, 17th of May 2018. Welcome to Real-Time Daily Trading Ideas. Like every business day, we have 5 days a week, 5 different traders. We will speak about trading ideas, strategies, market screen, and maybe 1 or 2 questions from your side directly answered in our webinar. Our goal is quick and smart, but for that daily, so let's have a nice start like every day. And like every day, we will start with our risk disclaimer. Forex and CFDs are leveraged products and can result in losses that exceed your deposits. If you're a starter, please start with a demo account to make yourself familiar with long trading, short trading, leverage trading, and your personal risk management. If you'd like to read the full risk disclaimer, just visit one of our web pages, for example, admiralmarkets.com, and you will find everything written down there. This is me. My name is Jens. Good morning. I'm talking from the Berlin office from Admiral Markets. I'm the German guy. We are a big international broker with over 18 country offices right now, so my English is made in Germany, but I'm not the main speaker. The main speaker is the day trader of today. This is our scheme. On Monday, it's Jay's Day. On Tuesday, it's Paul's Day. On Wednesday, it's Giancarlo's Day. Like today, on Thursday, it's Nenad's Day. On Friday, it's Dirk's Day. Our leading day traders live. And of course, if you like to trade Forex and CFDs, you will get many benefits only with Admiral Markets. For example, one of our best sellers, DAX 30 CFD, triple spread of 0.8 points to the main trading hours. You can trade also index CFDs with mini lots starting from 0.1 lots. MT4, MT5, it's your choice, and everything to find also here about on admiralmarkets.com. There you will find also something about our regulatory background and how to contact us. You can call us, you can send us email, or visit the other channels like YouTube or Facebook, also them linked from admiralmarkets.com. And enough from my side. Now it's time to Nenad. Hi, good morning, good day, Nenad. What's your view to the markets today?
Hi, Jens. Great to hear from you. Yeah, so we have some interesting things going on. For example, I will show you I'm currently in a dollar-yen trade. This is a 4-hour time frame, and you can see that the price is going in the direction that I want. Of course, this was also an overnight trade. And dollar yen is heading up. Basically, we had a break of previous heights, and this is monthly H3 pivot point that stands exactly here where actually I made the entry. So the price is actually now close to weekly resistance. This is the strongest weekly resistance, 110.69. So maybe it will take some time for the price to break up, but I can see that a price is going because it's above monthly H5. Maybe for this day it will not go higher than 110.99, or maybe even this could be the high. Let's see. I still expect the price to continue further up, but during the month it should reach 111.45. So this could be an intra-month trade, intra-month swing trade. Now I also think that, as Commerce Bank said on the BOJ and the yen, basically there was a Q1 GDP report that was bad for the yen. And also we know that Bank of Japan is basically, well, if the inflation data on Friday, basically the CPI is bad, then the dollar yen will go more to the upside. And also I think that basically what I read on the internet, that the BOJ probably will not change anything on their monetary policy. And I think that because there is no change in their monetary policy and the data was not that good, I think the dollar yen really has more upside potential. Of course, I'm speaking from longer term perspective, but also from, let's say, shorter term. I mean, if we can say it's a shorter term, next maybe 12, 13 days until the month ends, maybe we will even see 111.45. But at this point, it looks like the dollar yen is having a strong upside momentum. After a rejection that I predicted well, around 110.40, it went to 110, retested it, and now it's going up. So this is standard and pattern. So we watch this. These are buyers. All these are buyers. Marubozu candle at the open, then pin bar here. So everything is clear. I can even zoom in if you want to see it better. Okay, let me show you quickly. So this is it. You see a lot of buyers here. Marubozu open, and then we have a pin bar. price is making a standard and move, and you can see how the price closed above weekly H5. Even it goes even up at this point above weekly H5, and that signifies for a nice uptrend, guys. I think that this could go really good. I also have another trade, guys, that I want to show you. I'm long WTI. So I'm showing you this because, you know, it's real-time trading ideas. And well, I always say, if you want to teach, if you want to learn something, you need to learn from traders who trade live, who are real. As Jens likes to say, he likes always to say real faces. So those are who we are, real traders. And yeah, I mean, you always need to basically follow people who don't have anything to hide, who are transparent, and that is who I am. Even my losses, I always show them. So this is also WTI long trade above weekly H3. Why? Because, guys, WTI, it's oil. Oil is always a good investment, and oil is usually bought on dips. And when you see that uptrend has been formed, like here, I mean, no-brainer trades. Watch this. This is W. Where? W above weekly H3. Why? Because it's bullish trend. Because it's a bullish zigzag. This is consolidation. You can always mark the consolidation phase with like a rectangle. What happens after the consolidation phase? There is, of course, a breakout. Okay. So basically, now I'm talking about basic market cycles, guys. From marketing, from I don't know. I mean, it's the basic definition. You have a accumulation, then we have distribution, right? Then we have markup, markdown, and basically after the accumulation there is distribution. So I would say this was perfect consolidation, rectangle consolidation. Then we have distribution. This is markup. We go up, and this is W. You see W 1 to 3 above weekly H3, and the price is going up. So nice profits, nice trades, and I still expect that some prices and pairs can go more to the upside. For example, yesterday I had GBP. So guys, the idea is to buy dollar yen and WTI on dips. Okay, so that is the idea. Buy dollar yen on the dip. Okay, you might wait now maybe for retracement, or well, basically I would go for buying the dip towards 111.45 generally. Also WTI, as I showed, also it can be good to buy the dip because the price is going above weekly H3. So here this is an interesting zone, 65 to 70 for some nice trades regarding upside. GBP dollar, yesterday, guys, we had a rejection from 34.90 for some 20 pips before the price went up. It tells me that it's time probably to go counter trend now. So I guess that GBP dollar is also now counter trend. Watch this. It needs to break this EMA. I put 55, but it's usually 89. Let me just correct it quickly here. Yeah, it's 89. It should be 89. Yes. So here you see the price actually needs to break this daily probability level. It's ATR and weekly H3 to go further up. But what I say is go long on dip. Obviously, this is supported, and you see that the price is making higher lows. So as long, listen to me carefully, as long as the price is above 34.50, you can go long on the dip as a counter trend trade. If the price breaks 34.50, you can make a breakout trade towards 34. Well, I think 34.06. This will be the first target. The first target. This will be the second target, because 34.50 is the level that is protected now, guys. Okay. Very important for you to understand. Very, very important. So watch for that and see that the price will actually follow the lead. Okay. So I'm talking about selling only below this level, and now it's time to go counter trend. Let's see. Tomorrow is Friday, so there will be some profit taking. We still want to see how the day will end. So about that profit taking, we need to see how the day will end, and because of that, we are careful. We don't want to go short now at this point. unless this is broken. Then any rally above 34.50 could be used for further shorts towards 34.06 and 33.80. So follow that. I think that can be a good trade. Now, if you have any questions, guys, feel free to ask me. I only see a good day from Tatiana. Good day to you, and I hope that everything is clear. So basically, I mean, I don't have anything more to add. So dollar yen buying the dip, WTI buying the dip, GBP dollar also buying the dip, and if the price goes below 34.50, okay, then sell, and you can sell the next after the breakout. Let's say you made the money with breakout, then on the next rally on 1 hour or 15-minute time frame, you can also sell it, because usually there is a retest and or continuation. So that is how you can make multiple trades using the same setup, but only below 34.50. This looks bullish, so I don't want to sell, especially this candle, a big pin bar, a big, I would say a form of dragonfly doji here. So I wouldn't go short now, especially if this trend line here breaks, then we have more potential till upside. So be very, very careful, guys, okay? Okay, we don't have any, GBP yen and the dollar Swissy. Okay, GBP yen, dollar Swissy, or GBP yen. This is the GBP yen. Wait, I need to make it a little bit better like this. Okay, and I will move this so I can see my levels. Okay, GBP yen, well, bullish. Watch this. It's following this EMA and it's above weekly H4. So at this point, it looks like it want to target upper levels. So for me, this really looks bullish, guys. I would also say here on this, go long on the dip. So this was the chance to go long. Maybe if the price gets here or here, you can still go long. And obviously, it's targeting these levels up. ATR projection and weekly H5. So to me also, guys, this is looking bullish indeed. So careful, but I think it's bullish, especially because we have V-shaped reversal and we have a strong ascending pattern without big retracement. So this is bullish. Weekly, watch for this level. There you could maybe see a sell trade. A lot of questions. I will try to answer them. Euro dollar. I see 3 questions about euro dollar. What did I say yesterday on my live trading session? I said, guys, if it drops down, go for a long trade. And basically, I said also from 70-80 could be a buy, and it was a buy trade, because this is the strongest weekly support, and this is the strongest. Below this, I don't know why I don't see the level. I will open 4-hour time frame. There is strongest. This one is strongest monthly, guys. This HTF is actually monthly, higher time frame. So monthly L5 is 1720. So 1720 is monthly level of support. I would place a naked trade here. I'm sure that I would get at least a good scalp trade, if nothing else. But this is the level to go long, 1720. But because the price has made a form of piercing line here, this is a form of piercing line. It's counter to dark cloud pattern. You see, this one exactly at weekly L5. I think there is a chance that the price will go further up. But in order to know the next move, you need to watch this candle, guys. This is indecision candle. So this candle serves as support and resistance. You see? Now we have mini consolidation. It looks bullish as a counter trend trade. But then again, I would sell it around 80. If it gets to 80, 90, I would go for a sell trade. But obviously at this point, it's really looking bullish. You see? but it needs to break this double top here, and then it has resistance. So a lot of resistance, but then I could see a sell. Only below this double bottom here, I would go short, 1760, because if it breaks, again, same thing as GBP dollar. You can make a scalp, breakout trade, and sell on next rally. Usually when important levels are broken, next rally is also possible to trade, because it's usually there are usually new sellers or new buyers depending on the breakout. So euro dollar, in my opinion, it will go up and then sell on rallies, but now it should go up. Okay, dollar Swiss and Audi yen, and I think it's enough for today. I know you always have a lot of questions, guys, but please try to keep it short on Thursday, because these are real-time trading ideas. Okay, dollar Swissy. If euro dollar goes up, dollar Swissy is going down. You can always check the correlation here with correlation matrix. And euro dollar and dollar Swissy are, guys, in negative correlation. Okay, so just type it here. We have euro dollar, we have dollar Swissy. So let's see. Dollar Swissy, H1 200 bars, so it's intraday, and euro dollar minus 30. So there is negative correlation. If we use a little bit higher frequency, higher time frame, you see minus 98. So yeah, definitely the correlation hasn't changed. As I say, euro dollar up, dollar Swissy down. I would say this looks also a little bit down because euro is going up. You see, the price is actually making lower highs here, and it looks like this could be well, a retracement in uptrend. And finally, Australian dollar yen, up a lot, because there was some Australian data last night. V-shaped reversal, triple bottom, pin bar, doji, dragonfly. This is no-brainer. This is no-brainer. So what would I say? I would go long on the dip without excuse, without any possibility to short it, unless the price starts to reject from an important level such as this one eventually, and of course weekly H5. Until then, this is long on the dip. Momentum is way too strong, and you can see with this V-shaped reversal and with these dragonfly dojis and pin bar rejections from support. And of course, price is above monthly H3, so above monthly H3 means on a monthly level it's bullish also. I hope, guys, that it helped you. I think that everything is clear. I want to wish you great trading the rest of the week, and of course use Admiral Markets add-ons like MetaTrader 4 and 5 Supreme Edition. And even if you don't understand what correlation is, read my blog on Admiral Markets website, read about correlation, and use the information provided by the MT5 Supreme Edition. Cheers, guys. I wish you the best in trading the rest of the week. Talk to you soon.
Thanks a lot. Tomorrow is another day. Tomorrow is a new day trader to the same time, so hope to see you all again. And if your time don't allow to join us every day, a couple of hours later, usually available as a video recording on our YouTube channel. Thanks. All the time, good trades. Have a nice day and see you tomorrow. Bye.